The key to understanding effective communication and cut-through is in an understanding of how the brain works. You see, the brain responds to visuals, which makes sense because we live in a visual world. If we think about how we retain information and how we store it, data like this isn't going to cut it anymore. If it has an important story to tell, which we believe as researchers that it does, then communicating like this is no longer possible. It's just not going to get cut through. We know that the written word text goes into our short-term memory where we can retain around 7 bits of information, whereas visuals go straight into our long-term brain where they are indelibly etched. And so it's important to know that 90% of information transmitted to the brain is visual, and we process visuals faster. In fact, 60,000 times faster in the brain than text.